for the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the author and finisher of our faith, the lily of the valley, the patient of days, the I am that I am, the one who is of today, tomorrow, and forever. Somebody scream for the Lord right now. I'd like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to the man of God whom has given me this platform to come and showcase. As it is, I'm here to showcase as well. And it's different when you're showcasing in the Lord. It means that your tongue should be anointed. Yes. I didn't know that my pastor, Christopher, that's the younger brother in this church. I mean, he just let it out and I was like, everybody, does he have another one here? Brother, what was that English you spoke? Can you say it again? You know, it's decimal fraction. The man just reminded me of my own pastor. You know, he's the only man with a sole franchise in the world to speak grammar on per second billing. Only one. That's why we usually say to people, if you want to come to my church, you must come with your Bibles and what? So let me hear you say, there's not my pastor. You know, I actually got married in this church. It's a joke I've shared with a lot of people. I got married in this church on the D-Day. You know, a girl threatened me. He said, well, we will scatter that wedding. And I'm not going to get anything. We're in the house of God, though. I'm not going to get anything. I didn't do anything. But I said to myself, okay, oh wow, this thing, get us a deal. So I decided to go and tell my pastor. I said, Pastor, somebody wants to scatter my wedding. What can you do to rescue your son? And pastor asked me the same question you asked me. You sure say you don't do anything? I say I'm not doing anything. So okay, no problem. I know your pastor. Just leave that to me. You know, on the D-Day, you know that part in church where they will ask, if there's anyone here with any reason why these two should not be joined together. You know that part, and people will raise up their hand or if you want to protest. So when you go to that part, my pastor entered another level. He came and said, if there's anyone of this congregation who have those conjugal measures between AY and labels should not be interwoven within a very fairer or marital consentment, that person should marry now or forever peruse. The same girl started clapping. Okote had done the magic. And it's one man, you know, we have this slogan in Warri, no, they carry that. And some time ago, you know, we decided to take Okote to the national stadium. Nigeria were playing one football match with Ghana. So CNN was there, BBC. So they needed somebody to run commentary. There's no track, nobody. And they said, Okote is here. Why don't we just go and give him the mic to match up with international standards? So they said, why? Now your pastor, go talk to her. So I had to go to my pastor and say, man of God, the match that's about to commence is between Nigeria and Ghana. Can you please help us run commentary? And grammar started right there. Your request is quite vocal, but I'm just going to proceed to your paramour and oblige you with just that. We say, sure, just to run commentary. So we gave him the mic, and the man started though. All right, I'd like to welcome every one of you to this national stadium that is engulfed with different cacophony of supporting voices. Who's got the ball now? That is kind of one for the boy with a fragile heart. A little bit shaky like Adam at the thought of eating the forbidden fruit. What does he do now? It gives the ball to Osadel Dewiki. Osadel Dewiki to Whisperuma. Talking about Whisperuma, this is one boy from the Niger Delta region whose natural resources have been squandered to build high-rise edifices in Abuja, which is the center where the match is taking place. Are you still here? Let me say, Who's got the ball, and that is Taiwo trying to beat the Ghanaian player, and the Ghanaian player is looking as if eyeball to eyeball, as to say, Satan, get behind me. What does it do now? He gives the ball now to Jeto Kocha. Jeto Kocha beats one. He beats two. This young man's kids are no passionate. Maybe other friction or fraction for the revolution of the new government of Nigeria. Let me say, Vote for Nigeria. I have my fellow pastor here. Pastor Chris Oyakilome, what do you have to say about this goal? Oh my God! The goalkeeper was just sitting there, and the ball just went through. Father of the Stadium has turned out to be an atmosphere for miracle. As the ball enters the goal of the woman on the other end of the stadium, you have the stomach pain, but now the pain has left you. People are up in here. We also have albino from Alaba International Market. Ibo Kwenu. Mr. Albino, what do you have to say about this goal? One name, me, I don't have much to say about the goal. That goal that was called by JJ Okocha is already available on this CD. Bobby, let's put your hands together for the people. I love this church. The energy is so alive. I'll say this. I noticed something about Nigeria. Our adverts, the way we do adverts here is different. Oyibo man will do adverts, for example. Oyibo man will do adverts for Indomie. They will just tell you, Indomie is the best noodles you can think of in town. Indomie. 25 seconds, everything is gone. But here, we will gather people's children, gather everybody and bring them to one village square or somewhere. And the next thing you see something like this. What is happening? Must we always have that kind of approach? South Africa is not too far from us. South Africans, they want to do advert for MTN. They'll tell you now, magic number, MTN. The new magic number is in jam, MTN. 25 seconds. Niger?
From MTN through value package.
What is happening? What you always apply? What? Why? A woman will do advert for milk. Or you will just tell you cowbell as the best making time. Food makers not became out here. But here, we will gather full community. Everybody, they will enter the church. You see that? Look at all of you. Look at all of you. You have to respect our milk. May God deliver us. And I always say this. Let's go to these home video people now. Home video people, that one is different. If you see all these foreign movies, you see today, you see somebody like Will Smith. Today the man is a lover man. You see him in another movie, he's a pilot. You see him in another movie, he's a boxer. Multiple roles. But come to Nigeria. As soon as you see Kanayo, you have seen the man that wants to use both the wife and children for rituals. As soon as you see the Jesus, you just know that your son-in-law is dead. As soon as you see Choma Chukwuka, you have seen the Virgin Mary of that movie. As soon as you see Aki and Popo, you will see the two spoilers that is disturbing the entire community. As soon as you see the Saibu, you now know the mumu of the family. Then as soon as you see one young man, come on, baby, you don't mess with me. You don't mess. You don't mess. Who's that? You want to talk about? We know them. We just know them. And the most interesting part, I'll tell you the interesting part. Oyinbo man will do a movie, and you see somebody will run into. Yeah, I told you it's social. I don't know which message has come now. Let me attend to you. Okay. If you just look at it, you gave me a category. It came to pass information. We know it is. I'm the church member. In the house of God, everything must be orderly, whether you like it or not. Is either you are in, I will show you out. All right, I was talking about accident scenes. You see, foreign movies, they will break into a building. Everything will explode. Accident. But in Nigeria, it's different. And let's start from this place. Through the soundtrack, you will know where our own storyline is going to. If the storyline in America is Heartbreaker, you will not know until the end of the movie. But in Nigeria, Heartbreaker, from the soundtrack, you'll see something like this. Finally, when we want to get accident, you see only Jamaica. One lonely road, Jamaica in BGC. But you don't want to get accident, you see like 1,000 people be back to a stroke. But you want to get accident like that video, you see Jamaica, on video. Every street in BGC, only model, should have broke my heart. What am I supposed to do? I'm just going to go for a ride. You see me, where guys car. Yes, Shama, what would you do this to me, Shama? I'm putting her right now. Shama, why did you do this, Shama? What's happening? Oh my goodness. What's up, everybody? Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Owen. God bless you.